We're now in the last week of October, which is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Advocates say the pandemic has brought on even more challenges this year for people who are struggling in those kinds of situations. News Center Maine's Chloe Thibault joins us this morning to talk some statistics and provide some solutions from the experts. Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Sharon. Good morning. Yeah, advocates for domestic violence victims say they've been seeing a rise in case numbers because a lot of people no longer have the same escapes to the workplace, school, or even running errands. The National Domestic Violence Hotline reported that as early as March, calls had increased by 6% compared to last year, and by April, call volume was up 15%. Estimates by the United Nations Population Fund suggest a worldwide increase in intimate partner violence of 20% or 15 million new cases. Alcohol can also contribute to domestic violence situations. And Chris McLaughlin with Northern Light Acadia Hospital says there's been an increase of online alcohol sales over the last 5 months, in some cases by as much as 243%. Now, there are steps you can take remotely to get help or help someone else. Experts recommend using nonverbal cues like chat features on video platforms or setting up visual codes with practitioners or family and friends. For example, if you place a coffee mug on a specific side of the screen, that could mean there's an issue at home. And teachers who may be worried about students during remote learning can help out by putting domestic violence resources in a chat room. Experts want to remind everyone that leaving isn't always easy, especially during unprecedented times like these.
For some individuals, leave just isn't an option. As much as we who care about these folks want to see them safe and happy and protected, sometimes leave is not an option in a pandemic situation, especially when finances and resources like food, clothing, and housing can be really limited.
If you are worried about someone, signs to look out for include things like control issues in the family with money and visitors, as well as low self-esteem or self-talk. In kids, signs can include higher anxiety or depression or an alignment with the abuser. If you are in a domestic violence situation, you should try to set up a plan to leave in case you need to. There are also plenty of local and national resources. Some include the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233 and the statewide domestic abuse helpline at 1-866-834-4357. Live in studio this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center Maine.